Austin, you gotta stay behind the fence. Do you see the train? Cool train, huh? Austin, what do you think of the train? Do you like it? Pretty cool train, huh?
Morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Whoa, me. We have a picnic today, so we came to Look Park in Florence, Mass. Which is part of Northampton. Oh no, the train's taking off. Bye, train. Wow, it's so full. That's pretty cool. Little steam engine. Yeah, we got a picnic for Austin's like playgroup that he had before. So we're gonna go do that, but there's like so much going on here. They got like petting zoo, they got a train, there's paddle boats. So beautiful here. They have so many pavilions. There's like a lot to do here. There's a splash pad. So we'll see what we can get into today. No, where is he? Hey, Austin. Hey, what are you doing in that train?
Daddy.
What?
Hi.
Hi? Oh. Oh, the slide? Are you asking if it's hot?
No,
Wow, that's cool. That's nice and smooth.
It's hot.
No, it's not hot. Try it. Go ahead.
Hi.
No, not hot. Go ahead. Hey, Aiden. How come everyone's riding the train but me?
You deal with train every day, all day long.
Yep. Ready, go. Wow, it's slippery, isn't it? Feels it.
Come on, Austin.
Your turn, bud.
No hot, come.
Go down, no hot.
He's so smart, he was just checking for himself.
Let brother go down.
Go.
Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, nice.
Hi.
It's not hot. Look out, brother's coming. Whoa. Wow, that thing flies.
And this is the petting zoo. What do you think of the baby
Two of them on
girl?
there now, Gus.
Wow. Oh, these little pygmy goats are so cute. Austin's like, go, baby goat, baby goat. Is that baby goat? Let's go see what else we can find. Bah. 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 Huh? Teacher? Oh, choo-choo train? You want to ride the train? Maybe we can.
Okay.
What are these? Oh, they're so cute. What do you call them?
So pretty.
They are. What are those, Austin?
Hug.
Hawk? Wow.
He's saying he wants a hug.
Oh, you want to hug the chicken? Okay, give the chicken a hug.
Closer and closer. It's like.
That thing scared you?
Yeah. Out of nowhere.
Oh wow, red.
Oh wow, there are 2 hawks.
Beautiful red-tailed hawks. Those are the ones you see around a lot.
Do you see the bird up there?
Oh, look at it. It wants to like fly away. It's trapped though. Please do not feed me. This guy scared Aiden a minute ago. Look how big he is. They call it a tom, I think. Hey, Tom. Gobble.
I can make
Gobble. That is so beautiful. Look at that thing.
Or the Chinese person.
Wow. It's called a golden pheasant.
Pretty, huh?
Oh wow. Actually, you know that golden pheasant, that was almost even more beautiful.
Mom,
I don't think I've ever seen anything like that.
a goal.
Indian.
Austin, $5 if you can catch that chipmunk. Oh, get him! Get him! Go get him! Wow, you got really brave chipmunks around here. Huh? What? Oh, I get a hug? Yeah?
Huge. Look at those owls. They're like, they look big. They look like made out of wood, but.
They do, I know. They're weird, kind of tucked away in the corner up there.
Yeah, but they're not. Look, there goes the train.
Oh wow, there goes the train. Oh cool, something you don't see very often, that like if you go to like a farm or something. They got deer here. It's just taking a little drink or eat. Austin, do you see the deer? You see it? It looks like a little tiny deer.
No, do you see a deer? A deer? Is there? He's eating right now. Oh, he's playing. He's playing. He's playing.
What are you doing, Mr. Goat?
Oh, look at baby goat.
Oh, you're hungry probably? That's a cute one. What is that, Austin? What do you call that animal? A what?
A goat.
A goat? Yeah. Oh, look at a little baby goat. Touch him. Say hi, goat.
Tickle, tickle. Chico, chico. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Playing, they're playing.
Wow, I wouldn't wonder who's gonna win that
They're
matchup.
playing.
This house is so funny. They built it like replicas normal house. It's like a barn house, but everything's little. The windows are little, the doors are little. It's so cute. It's like Austin size. He's looking right in the window.
Okay, so they.
All right, guys, time to go home now. I guess I'll just go right into our little house. This house is so hilarious.
So this is the little train station. Looks like this is where you sign up for the train, and they have a little display of the train park.
Who's that?
Little engines or whatever it is. I don't know. I don't know. You know more about trains.
Yeah, this is so funny. They have little trucks here with little brake cylinders. Oh my god, it looks just like an actual train. That is so cool. Wow, it's so funny. I think it works just like a real train. That's crazy.
Who is ready to ride the train? Me. Austin got a little scratch on his face. I don't know how that happened. I wonder because of my ring. I usually don't wear ring because it used to scratch his thighs and stuff, so I stopped wearing it, and I just wore it for the longest time. I haven't worn it for the longest time, and I just wore it today, and now he has a scratch again on his face. So I'm thinking it's from my ring. I gotta take that out when I get home.
Woo woo!
We're so excited to ride the train. Woo!
Austin, everyone ready at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo woo!
He's so excited. That's all he could talk about is train. So we are excited. So we're just killing time here until the party starts, and then we're gonna go do the party.
Oh, it's starting. The train's going.
Train is starting.
Everyone go woo woo!
Woo!
Oh, all right. He's so excited.
Who is excited?
Me.
Look at that. We're gonna see the animals.
That car looks familiar.
That car does look familiar. Hey, our engineer looks like the same guy that we got a ticket from too. Yeah? You're riding the train? I can't believe that.
What were you saying about the engineer?
Oh, I said he looks a lot like the guy that sold us a ticket. That's funny. And the conductor.
Where?
The guy that rides the train.
Oh, yeah, in the front.
Everybody out of the way, there's a train coming.
Choo-choo! Train is coming. Oh, yeah.
Hey, we got wavers.
The train. Oh, wave!
Wow.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry about your face scratch. Bye, park. Are you saying bye to the park?
It's like a baseball circle. Hey, did anyone bother to ask where this train's even going? We could be on our way to California right now. We have no idea.
We're the adventurous. We don't care where we go. Wherever the train takes us, we'll go.
Keep your head inside the train.
Yeah, we gotta keep your head inside. Hands and feet inside the train.
I'm having a little trouble keeping my body parts inside the train. It's a little cramped for a big guy. Yay, tunnel!
Is that the tunnel over there?
Yay! We love tunnels!
Here we go!
Here we go, guys!
Woo!
Cool tunnel! Is that the movie tunnel? Yay, tunnel! Did you like that? How was the tunnel? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Or thumbs up? Yeah!
I knew it was a movie turtle. Guys, I feel like we're in a whole different place now. Guys, I know.
I know, right? Now we're
Oh, this is the zoo we went to. Look, there's the bridge.
Deer Creek.
Yeah.
Ah!
What? Oh, you want Chuchu to go?
Oh, he wanted it to go that way. They kind of go, wow, what is that? Look at that. That's so cool. Looks like a
Castle.
I know.
Yeah. No, dark, not that one.
Oh man, I want to go check that out.
We don't have time. We gotta go to the party. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
it says it's a theater. Oh, cool.
Oh. Well,
It's an old theater.
after this, we gotta run to the car so we can make it to the party. Because we're already late a little bit.
No, why don't we just take the train there?
I know, right? Oh, I think, we're gonna stop soon.
Train's coming.
Oh, that was fun.
We're coming in hot. We're gonna be able to stop. Ah!
Oh, we're here.
We made it.
Oh,
That was fun. Was it worth it? Did you have a good time? Was it good? Again. No, we gotta go to the party now. Let's go to the party, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi, everybody. We made it to the party. We're here.
Guys.
You want to go say hi to everybody? Go see if you can find your teacher.
this is the party
We
zone.
made it.
Look at the balloon. Austin is so excited. He saw the little baby pool and I bet that's where he's running off to. Oh, wow. But there's no water in there.
Glad there's no water in the pool.
Kirsten, did you want to get in?
Okay. And then you're all going to come in and you have.
Aiden is getting his face painted. Wow. Look at all these beautiful colors. So gorgeous. Wow. You found Swain?
Whoa, you look dangerous. Don't come near me.
I know, he looks like,
Hazard.
what do you call it? Like
Like a mutant radioactive man.
you have juice? Hey, Austin. Muna. I'm hot dog.
Ooh,
wants
wow. I bet he is hungry.
Yeah.
These guys really know how to throw a party. Everyone's having a good time. Austin's not going to want to leave. He's having way too much fun. Are you at the park? Yeah, you're so good at it. Wow, this is so cool. All the things they did for kids. The face painting. There's so many different like stations too. We didn't even show you yet. There's coloring, there's balloons, there's bubbles. So fun. Look at the bubble mom's doing.
Alright, so we have to go because Aiden has football practice. Okay, so we dropped off Aiden earlier to football practice and now we're gonna go get him. We went home after dropping him off and did some stuff. We tried to fit everything in today because of Aiden's football practice. Sometimes it's hard to do other things that are far away, and we don't want to not do either because, you know, it's unfair for everybody else that we get to miss out on other things while he has a practice. So we kind of want to do something that everybody can enjoy also. So that's what we tried to do today. It actually worked out perfect. There are the boys practicing hard, working hard out there. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, this is the area. We're kind of late, but maybe this is the house. I don't know, but this is the area that they were filming 2 days ago about the man who hunted
the man who killed Hitler and hunted Bigfoot.
Yeah.
The man who killed Hitler and then Bigfoot.
Okay. Well, that's what they were filming here, which was really cool. At first, we didn't realize what was going on. We saw all these like caravan things lined up on the side of the street, and then like there were tents everywhere, and we're like, what the heck is going on? This is so weird. Like, this is by, you know, the school and everything. And then I saw like a tripod or something. I'm like, it looks like a camera person there. Like, and then it dawned on all of us, like, oh my God, they're supposed to be. Yeah, hi Austin. So it dawned on all of us that they're supposed to be filming a movie Turners. He's playing with the ice tray for some reason. So yeah, so that was kind of cool. We didn't really get to see the filming, but we just it was just kind of cool to know that they were filming there. Austin, the water park looks like it's closed now. No water.
Man.
Oh man.
Daggum.
But you can play at the park if you want. You want to go play on the structure? Oh, you want to go on the structure with brother? Those are probably like really gross water.
Yeah, it's like dog pee that's left over.
I'm glad the water is not on because it's cold. I'm wearing my sweatshirt. Wow. Can you climb up? No, Mike Tyson. Let me see your face.
It was supposed to be a
Oh my gosh.
But now I'm like Mike Tyson.
His face is all messed up now from the paint. Oh, I have a visitor here. What you doing?
I don't know anymore.
Do you like my chilling spot?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
It was uncomfortable in the beginning, but I really like it now. It's like perfect.
You're like,
don't fall on me. You're scaring me. Ah!
I'm like Austin.
Oh my God.
And mess with Aiden.
Daddy!
Oh my God, he's gonna fall on me. He's gonna fall on me.
I'm really gonna fall.
Hi, baby.
Hey, let me get some ribs.
Daddy, please, I'm gonna fall.
Ribs.
Dad, I was only holding her one hand. You can't do that when I'm up here.
Why?
I will fall. Trust me, I will fall.
All you have to do is put your legs straight. Become like a pencil. You can't fall. Watch, become a pencil, and I'll get your ribs. Ribs! Ribs! Ribs!
You know, do you realize that he's gonna fall on me?
And then I'll get both your ribs. Ribs!
Well, now, what are you doing?
Trying to slide up. Whoa! Climb! Climb!
Oh my god.
Ready?
Oh my god. You're scaring me.
Too high?
Oh, come here. Come stay with mom,
Oh, you
then.
want to be with mom?
Climb with mom. Ah! Spider-Man! Oh my god!
Incy.
Who is up there, Austin? Oh, Aiden! Are you serious?
Yep.
You're like, you could have hurt me.
Alright, now I'm going up top.
Oh, it feels so good.
You want to be Incy? You first, what's the password for Incy? The Incy spider went up the water spout.
Doodle doodle pencil fart.
Ew, Aiden, you got a potty mouth. Oh my god, baby.
You are not really Spider-Man.
Daddy will help you climb. Daddy will
Unless we
help
give him
you.
a spider and let him bite him, then he'll be Spider-Man.
Oh, sure.
That's how Spider-Man.
Can we have Spider bite you instead? And see how it goes first? Experiment on you?
Well, if I get superpowers, then yes.
Yeah, then
Yeah.
us all will be Spider-Fam.
Yeah.
We'll have to change our YouTube name, obviously, but Spider-Fans.
Spider-Man.
So first we gotta experiment on you then, though. Would that be okay?
I'm subject 1.
Oh, we got a Spider-Man here. Hi, Spider-Man. Hi, Incy.
What? Austin, are you serious?
He's Incy, man.
Daddy, Spider-Man? Spider-Man. He can do whatever a
Do
Spider-Man.
you hear him? He's singing Incy, man.
Austin, you're making me nervous.
Daddy.
Alright, I'm going to get him.
Ready to go home?
No.
Why? The park is not on. Waterpark.
Everybody's gone.
And it's getting dark too. Let's go home. Alright guys, so this is our room. Austin and I are chilling before his bedtime. So, what do you want to do? And somersault. Whoa, watch out. Whoa. Oops. I'm so happy that you guys got to see a little bit of our room. There are a couple things that we need to finish in this room. It's not unfinished. For example, right here, there was a TV up here and there was a pipe coming here. That's where all the wires were. Anyways, we had to patch up everything. So we have to touch up the paint here. But you guys get to, you will see a lot more of this room, our room. So I'm excited about that. And I just want to say goodnight. Kids are in bed. Chris is at work. He works at nighttime. And I get to do the most fun part, is editing. Yeah, so it is super late and I haven't started editing yet. So I'm gonna say goodnight so I can get to that editing and release this video on time. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. We really appreciate it a lot. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe our video. And don't forget to click that little bell so it will alert you when our new video is up. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe again if you haven't subscribed. And thank you for all the returning subscribers for watching all our videos. And to new subscriber, thank you guys very much. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye and namaste.